So I am going to tell you what it means to become fluent in English, what it means to you. I'm going to guide you to find out what it means to you, because becoming fluent can mean different things to different people depending on what is the desired outcome. And I'm going to help you identify what are the processes that you need to act on in order to become fluent. And I am going to guide you to be able to estimate the time that you need in order to become fluent up to a level that you desire. Right. First of all, becoming fluent refers to the ability to speak English. Yeah, only speaking. So that is the outcome. You want to be able to speak English fluently, but in what context? To what level? That is the next question you have to think about. Okay, once you have identified that, then you need to go through a process, right? If we were to compare this process to climbing a mountain, everything you do while you're climbing the mountain is the process, and reaching the peak is the outcome. So in this case, the outcome is becoming fluent at a specific level within specific contexts or surrounding or situation, and then we go backwards and we work on the process, right? I repeat, fluent refers to speaking. Fluent means you can speak smoothly without hesitation. For example, let me just speak the next few sentences introducing myself. I am Thava Govindasamy. I am a teacher. I have been teaching for the past 31 years and I teach English and biology. I love teaching. Right? That is fluent. You don't have to use big words. You don't have to speak about complex things. At the level that you desire to speak, you can speak smoothly. Does it also mean that you don't make mistakes? No, it doesn't mean that you don't make mistakes. It is okay to make mistakes, but you speak smoothly without hesitation. What is speaking with hesitation, for example? Okay, let me again make that introduction about myself, but this time with hesitation, not smoothly, not fluently. My name is Thava Govindasamy. I am a teacher. Okay, so that is not fluent. There is hesitation, there is a lot of thinking. Now let me give you another example of speaking fluently where you speak smoothly without hesitation, but there are one or two mistakes. Okay, that is still fluent, right? But you're able to get the message across and you're not hesitating, you're confident. For example, my name myself Thava, I teacher. I teach biology. I teach English too. Okay, so that is fluent. There are mistakes, but without hesitation, and it is quite smooth. Okay, so our objective is to get you to speak fluently first, and then from there you can work on going towards correct and perfect English, right? So we have talked about fluency, and even though fluency is about speaking, we have to engage in writing, reading and listening as well as speaking, because these are the processes that will get you to achieve the outcome of speaking fluently. Okay, so the outcome is speaking fluently, but the process involves all the four skills: writing, reading, listening, speaking. So all my lessons will cover all of these 4 skills. Now, again, I did mention fluent also is very context specific and also level of mastery specific. Let's look at that. The next question you need to ask yourself is, where are you right now? Okay, are you a beginner or elementary or intermediate? Right? And from where you are right now, for example, let's say you're a beginner, at which level do you want to achieve fluency? Do you want to become fluent at intermediate level, or do you want to achieve fluency at advanced level? Okay, and a second parameter that you need to identify is the context within which you want to achieve fluency. Do you want to achieve fluency in a social context, like for example, when you go to the shop, or when you go to a restaurant, when you speak to friends and family? Or do you want to achieve fluency in a formal setting, like in an office, during a meeting? Like for example, if you're a lawyer, you want to be able to argue cases in fluent English. So that's the next thing you have to decide. At this point, you may ask me, how long is it going to take you to become fluent? There are so many estimates, but that is what they are, estimates. I can only give you an estimate, but it depends on many factors. If we were to compare the journey of becoming fluent in English to a journey you take in your car from one city to another, it depends on so many factors, right? It depends on the kind of vehicle you're traveling in. It depends on who's driving. It depends on the road conditions. It depends on the weather. It depends on whether there's a roadblock, a police block. So many conditions. Similarly, nobody can say for sure how long it is going to take you to become fluent. All said, the single biggest factor that's going to determine how fast you become fluent and how well you develop your English mastery depends on your reason for wanting to become fluent, your why, how motivated you are. For example, if you need to become better in English so that you can get a university placement, or you can get a job, or you can get that promotion or higher salary, then naturally you will work harder at it, right? So make sure that you have a strong reason to become better in English, so you will really do well and you will be able to do well within a very short time. How to become fluent in English? There are many ways. One of the ways is to learn English with Ms.Thava, and here's how I'm going to do it in the lessons to come. So my lessons are thematic, situational, conversational English. Grammar is made easy. Yes, you will be taught grammar, but not in a rote learning method. You will acquire grammar. What this means is you will learn grammar subconsciously, not by memorizing, I won't teach you structure and semantics and syntax and morphology of language. No, I'm going to teach you a lot of phrases and sentences and word and situational phrases and sentences to use, and from there you're going to subconsciously acquire the grammar rules, right? So you're not going to be learning grammar through rote learning. It's not going to be hard learning, okay? So, and together with that, I will be giving you a lot of practice tests. So through repeated practice, you will acquire the rules. So this method of learning is known as deductive method, yeah? And there will be a lot of focus on speaking And ever so often I will include fun activities so that the lesson is not boring. So stay with me. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe, comment. And I look forward to this journey of learning English with Ms.Thava. Bye!